Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that Android volume automatically going up and down. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to check that is your smartphone connected with any Bluetooth device or not. So as you can see that if your device is not connected with any another device, so you not face this issue. But if your device is connected with any other device, you can face an issue. After that, you simply need to click on settings, and here you need to scroll down and click on sound and vibration, and you simply need to check that is your because some smartphones have adaptive sound here. As you can see that if you find an option of adaptive sound, you simply need to off that, and here you can see different options, sound enhancement. So you can see that basically you simply need to check all the settings according to your smartphone. As you can see that my settings are okay, because and I have sound and vibration. So it is up to you which options you want to select, and you can check all the settings here. If your settings are okay, then you not face that issue. So haptic vibration, if you want, you can close that as well. So it is up to you, and you need to check all the necessary settings from here. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.